Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 11. As you can see, I installed it on my laptop. I tried for 2 days how to figure it out, how to install this Windows 11 that came up. And now I'm gonna show you how to install on my PC. To begin with, I attached the files in Mega folder. You can download them in the link in the description. As you can see, I'm walking through you as I'm editing the video. Now I'm gonna show you the error it says when you try to install the Windows 11 and how to fix it. Here you go. The PC must support secure boot. It says this error or another error, but in both cases the solution is one patch I included. What you need to do now is to extract the files from the ISO file to a new folder. Now copy the patch and extract the patch in the sources files. Make a replace. And that's all it. Open the new patched ISO setup. And now, as you can see, the error is not showing anymore. I tried to get the latest updates so it doesn't get me an error. You see here I choose to keep nothing and install only the 11 Pro. Now I'm recording with my smartphone to show you how. I'm sorry for my bad monitor. If it asks for a license or serial number while installing it, I attached a config file called ei.config. You just have to copy and paste it in the sources folder like the first patch. And here we are, the new Windows 11. You just have to configure it. As you can see here, I got an resolution error. I need to restart my PC so the resolution auto-adjusts itself. I cannot see the next button here, you see? We need to restart the PC. Now, as you can see, the resolution is already noticeably better. You can choose to sign in or use an offline account. I'm gonna use a sign in option this time. Privacy and security as you wish to let them. There you have it, guys, we installed Windows 11. If you have any problems installing it, make sure to comment and I will do my best to help you. Share this video with your friends so they can install Windows 11 as well. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video, cause I'm going to do a gaming performance difference between Windows 10 and 11. Peace out.